To understand what is different about the Healthy Landscapes approach, we can start by looking at variation. What you see here is a harvest event using some of the Healthy Landscapes approaches. What you might notice is this harvest block does not look uniform or man-made. One of the central ideas of the Healthy Landscapes approach is to make human disturbances look, and more importantly, act more like natural disturbances. This means creating variability in the size and shape of harvest events. And this variability is one of the key differences between traditional forest harvesting and the ideas characterized by the Healthy Landscapes approach.
Variability is Mother Nature's way. Mother Nature is messy. You never know what Mother Nature is going to do. Fires might come back every couple of years. It might be 200 years between fires. We are much more uniform as a species. We tend to like nice little convenient rules and practices, and we do the same thing and repeat the pattern over and over again. So the idea of variability is to expand our horizons. So when we approach trying to approximate fires, we do some big events, because there are a lot of big fires, but there's also lots of little fires too. So we have smaller cut blocks and patches here and there, and we vary amounts of retention, and we vary shapes and sizes, and a lot of other things that we didn't used to vary very much. So we're expanding our breadth of variability, and that is getting closer to what Mother Nature would do.
Planning human disturbances this way does more than just look natural. It is also believed to provide more benefits to the organisms that inhabit these landscapes.
Variation is important because the underlying variation in the forest is what has evolved through time. The species have adapted to this variability, to the dynamic, changing environment of the forest. And if we want to maintain the various species and the species richness into the future, we need to maintain this variability in habitat. That's really key. It's a less risky approach to maintain the variability because we are not really sure what everything that we do, what the outcome will be, but by maintaining the whole, all the variability, it is a much less risky approach to managing the forest for future values.
One thing seems to be becoming clear. Variation within and between disturbances is tied to a healthy landscape.